In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to get free coins on the NikiLive app, how to gamble and win big on the NikiLive app, where your basic tax earning is going to and how to make use of it, how to make use of all these free coupon that is popping up while you are on the app, as well as how to make use of your recommended card and the candy and much more. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Without wasting much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. So you're welcome to the practical aspect of this video. So let me just go live and show you. As you can see, as I'm just coming in, this pop-up. So what this means is that if I should gift someone or gamble with this specific 2 coins that is recommended right here, I have the chances of winning among those that win up to 600,000 coins right here or being. So all you need to do is to click on the try now. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to your gift box and it will take you straight to the lucky. The lucky is what is used for gambling. So all you need to do is to click on it. Click on if you want to gamble on everyone, or you just want to gamble on one person, you gamble with it and you could be lucky to win a jackpot. So the next one is, as you can see, as I'm doing that, this one pop up, congratulations. So I have a free 22 coupon. So what you need to do with it is to play game. So you just click on it, it will take you to the specific game and you start playing. But this video is not all about game. So as many that are interested, comment how to play game on NikiLive, so that I'm going to do videos on all the games, on how to play them and win big. Just drop your comment in the comment section. All right, I'm going to do all the videos one after the other. So if you drop a comment, I'm going to reply with the video for you once the video is up. So the next thing is I'm going to also click right here so that to show you the basic tasks you are doing, where are they located, how to make use of them. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'll just click on the backpack. This backpack is where the recommended card and the candy. So the basic task you have been doing is candy and recommended that you'll be getting. So you can use that to gamble and win big. So how do you make use of that? Let me just go to somebody's live stream so that I'll practically demonstrate to you how to gamble. So this is the lucky person that I'm just coming to her live stream, so she don't know. So I'll just click and come in. So the best way is, for a starter, if you want to join a seat, you just click. All right, click. You can choose video or audio, but I don't want to come up to sit. I'll just exit right now. And meanwhile, for those that are live streaming and they are wondering why are people not sitting on my box, so if you click right there, you will see if anybody is requesting, you see a red dot up there. So you just click to accept. In front of it, you see accept. Okay, approve or accept. So you accept the person. So meanwhile, we are here to learn how to use our recommended. So I'll just click on her profile, okay, and then click on gift because she's the only person. If I want to gift on anybody, I'll just go to the gift and click on gift back. But if I want to gamble on only her, I'll click on it. So the use of this recommended is the person will not get anything, but it's just that you are recommending that it is her you want to throw. So the more you put the recommended on her, the higher when you now gamble on her, your chances of winning will be much more. So as you can see right here, I have 2,000 coins right here. So let me just gamble with this. Is it 6 or 9 candy? So you just click on it. I've clicked on her profile and I tap. So I keep tapping and I tap. As you can see, I have up to 3,000 now. Okay, and I tap again, it will show you in total how much you make. All right, so yes, I've thrown 9 for her so far, and then congratulations, you received 900 coins. So that is how to get free coins with your recommended and your candy. That is the basic task you are doing. All right, so please, if you have more questions, the higher you ask question, the higher I'm going to do more video about it. I'm doing a video on how to level up, how to do coins exchange. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Okay, and again, I have a family where we have discussion. You can come up and join my family. And how you can do that is this. I see a lot of people asking, how do I search you on the app? So all you need to do Okay, all you need to do is come and click on the live button. When you click on the live button, it will take you up. But let me show you my family right here. So people are already there. We are having discussion in the family. Okay, so you need to come and join us in the family, Ijapari Gyang's family. So you will now click on the live. When you click on the live, okay, you will now click the search bar above. When you click on the search bar, you now type in the person's ID. So in my own case, my own ID is 6166113. So when you click, you now search, you see me, you click follow me, join my family. Just click on my profile and then you see join family. You now click to join my family. So thank you so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.